It is said that you learn from two things: your mistakes or others' mistakes. We all, as implantologists, have learned failure management through our extensive practice. What if I told you that there is a conference where you can come, learn from others' mistakes, don't make those mistakes, and you will also learn how to get to the correction of that mistake. Sounds cool? Yes. In November in Kochi, World Implant Expo is precisely about that. How to manage complications, how to get to the successful implant practice, and various scenarios on it. Hi, I'm Dr. Riddhi Rathi, and I would be speaking at this conference on occlusion and how you can avoid a prosthetic occlusal failures. See you there.